Hello and welcome to Tango Basic Plus lessons. Here we explore basic figures which are described in technique books and also interesting tango choreographies. And today we will look at Chasse with Whisk and Step Tap in Promenade ending. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. As you know, there are many versions of Chasse in technique book. Today we will look at Chasse with Chasse, Whisk and Step Tap. So man starts from promenade position, slow, quick, 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 quick. Now Chasse, quick and quick, Whisk, slow and Step Tap, quick, quick. And now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will dance for us Chasse. And slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, slow, quick, quick. Let's do it again. So we start from promenade position, we move in promenade, then close, step outside, chasse to right, whisk and step tap. Notice Violetta's double head movement here. After chasse, we will continue with promenade link and reverse outside swivel. So we dance promenade link and reverse outside swivel. Very good. Let's look at these figures from opposite angle and with teaching count. And slow, quick, 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 slow. And now let's put together Chasse and these two figures. So we start from promenade position. We dance Chasse with chasse, whisk and step tap ending, then promenade link and reverse outside swivel. Very good. Now from opposite angle with teaching count. And slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow. Now let's look at followed by reverse slip pivot, which we will place in beginning of choreography. Quick, 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 quick. Very good. From opposite angle. So we dance follow away and then slip pivot. Now after slip pivot we will continue with basic reverse turn and progressive link. So we dance basic reverse turn and progressive link to promenade position. Very good. Notice that basic reverse turn first part we syncopate and second part we dance in timing quick, quick, slow. And quick, quick and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's put together follow away, basic reverse turn and progressive link. So dance follow by reverse, slip pivot, basic reverse turn and progressive link. Very good. Let's do it again. and quick, 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 quick and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And let's do it again from opposite angle. And quick, 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 quick and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Now let's put together today's choreography. It will be 8 bars all together. We start from closed position and we dance followed by reverse slip pivot, basic reverse turn, progressive link, chase with chasse and whisk step tap, then promenade link and reverse outside swivel. Very good. Now let's do it from opposite angle, this time with teaching count. And quick, 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 quick and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow. And now to music. Thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.